If I was hired by a fitness client, this is a strategy that I would use for them. So this is a strategy for a fitness coach with a brand new Instagram page, aiming to gain visibility, followers, and convert them into sales quickly. So the advice would be define your niche, clearly define who you're speaking to within the fitness industry, strength training, weight loss, or any other specific training program. Having a focused niche helps you attract the targeted audience. Optimize your profile. Ensure your Instagram profile is complete with a clear profile picture, a concise and appealing bio, and a link to your website or sales page. So just go and look at mine and you'll see exactly what I mean. Engage in content mix. So create a mix of content types, including workout videos, motivational quotes, transformational stories, and tips. Variety keeps your content interesting and caters to different audience preferences. Some people will just be there for the workouts. They won't even care about the other tips or about food or anything like that. And then you'll have people that just care about food and don't care about the workout. Doing a mix of content gives you a better opportunity to actually hit the people that you're trying to hit. Create shareable content. So develop content that viewers are likely to share, such as quick workout routines, fitness challenges, or before and after transformational stories, and encourage your followers to share with their networks. So if I shared your real transformation, and then I say to you, go and share that within your community because there's other people probably struggling as well. This will help and motivate them just as it did you. Engage with your audience. So respond promptly to comments and direct messages. Building a community and engaging with your audience fosters trust and loyalty. Building a community is going to turn followers and viewers into clients way faster than just posting videos every single day. Run contests and giveaways. So launch contests or giveaways that require participants to follow, like, and share your content. This can rapidly increase your reach and attract new followers. So again, don't do it all the time, but doing that sort of thing, like a wee contest or a wee giveaway every so often. It can be a PDF, it can be a free training, it can be onto your program, whatever it is that you want. Doing something like that every so often gives your views a boost, gives your following a boost. Yes, you're not going to get always the followers that you actually want, but having more followers gives you more authority, which means that when people come onto your page, they look at it and go, this person must be good because a lot of people follow them. Utilize Instagram stories and reels. So leverage Instagram's features like stories and reels. These features often receive higher visibility and engagement, which will help you reach a larger audience. So remember, we're thinking about someone that's just started out. So if they start to use stories every day, they're going to get better on camera. They have a lot of scope to practice and test things. Then reels are going to get more reach than long form video, so it gives them another opportunity to reach more people and build a following, which is what they're after. But most importantly, turn that following into people that know, like, and trust you, that will convert into clients. This is the content creation strategy that I would give them. Week 1 and 2 is foundation and introduction. Day 1 to 3 would be your introduction post. So who are you, your fitness journey, and what your followers can expect. These can be spread over a couple videos or one video. Then you would do your profile optimization so that new followers that see that are going to see exactly who you are and what you do. Day 4 to 7, just begin with a tip of the day series and post a short workout video. Very basic, very simple. Week 3 to 4 is your engagement and collaboration. So day 1 to 3, collaborate with someone who has the same audience as you. So someone you already know that's in the industry, collaborate with them. Do a workout or some sort of shout out. So you could literally just say, I was talking to Liam, so I don't even need to be in it. I was talking to Liam, or I was on Liam's workshop, and this is what he said about this, and this is what I felt about that. So you can do a collaboration without worrying about having the person on board with you initially. Launch a fitness challenge, so like a 7-day plank challenge or a 30-day squat challenge. Something easy for people to do that is easy for you to track as well. And then day 4 to 7, share user-generated content from your challenge. So feedback from your challenge, share some of it. A motivational quote or a success story. So the quote is good if you add your flair to it, and then a success story of previous clients is going to be amazing as well. Week 5 to 6 is when you build your community and encourage sharing. So day 1 to 3, ask followers to share their fitness goals. Post a shareable infogram on a fitness related topic. And then day 4 to 7, feature user success stories again, and then run a contest for the best workout selfie with a branded hashtag. Something really basic that gets people tagging you and engaged with you. Week 7 to 8 is conversion and sales. So you'll see that we're not trying to rush in there and get sales immediately. We're trying to build know, like, and trust. Day 1 to 3, promote a limited time offer or discount and share client testimonials. By now you should have a lot of feedback from your followers, and you should have been engaging with your clients asking for testimonials, asking them for feedback. She can now share this to help engage with the person watching so they can go, oh, that's like me. And if he did it for them, he can do it for me as well. Day 4 to 7, showcase your fitness program or services. Give an idea, give a wee bit of a background, or give a behind the scenes of what it is that you do and how you help people. And then use Instagram stories to provide a sneak peek into your offerings. So this might be before you launch the product or before you launch the next intake or whatever it happens to be. You're using your stories as prepping your script or doing whatever it is before you actually go live and launch. So you're going to monitor and adjust this as you go. So regularly review your Instagram insights to understand which content performs the best. Adjust your strategy based on the type of content that resonates most with your audience, and continue to engage with your followers to build a sense of community. Then remember, consistency is the key. So adjust your strategy based on real-time performing data, not what you think is happening and why you think that didn't work and why you think that should have worked. Real-time performing data is the best way of gauging how your content's doing, and then be ready to adapt to what your audience responds to most positively. You might think that tops off in the gym arm curling is the way to go, but your audience responded to your story when you were just out for a walk, and then you have to just readjust everything and start doing walk and talk videos instead of taps off in the gym. Your content is always going to be evolving, so be ready to change it at any moment. This is to give you an idea of what to do. Base it around where you currently are in your coaching business, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Feel free to tag me videos for coaches in any of your reels that you make after watching this, or if you have any questions, just reach out to me and I will help you as best I can. Have a super awesome day whatever you get up to, and I will speak to you again soon.